Hey guys, this is Jake with Music Theory Explained, here to talk to you about intervals. So an interval is the distance between any two notes. In our example here, we're using a piano. I've got an octave written down, but any instrument works exactly the same way. So starting from the beginning, from C, up a half step to D flat, we call that interval a minor second. And we use a small m with a line on top to signify minor. Going on from C to D, we call a major second, and we signify that with a capital M. Going from C to E flat, we call a minor third, and from C to E, a major third. So as you can see, we have this pattern of minor, major, major. But that pattern ends when we get from C to F. Now from C to F, we call a perfect fourth, and C to G, a perfect fifth. In between F and G, we have G flat or F sharp. And going from C to G flat, we call a tritone. We call this a tritone because it's in the exact center of an octave. From C to G flat is the exact distance as G flat to C. But then the pattern continues in the minor major order. Going from C to A flat, we get a minor sixth. From C to A major sixth. From C to B flat is a minor seventh, and from C to B is a major seventh. After that, we have an octave, which is a perfect eighth. At this point, the pattern just continues on. If you decide to keep going, from C up an octave plus one is a minor ninth. If you go from C to the next D up an octave, it's a major ninth. And it just continues that pattern of major, minor, perfect, and so on. So I just want to mention a couple things before we end for today. This is all relative to where we begin. So going from D to E flat, we would call a minor second. Just the same that we would call C to D flat is a minor second. So it's not about the note names themselves, it's about the distance between the keys. So that's going to do it for today, guys. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.